Today, I'm going to teach you how to send a lease application from Docusign. This is a straightforward way to get lease agreements signed electronically, saving you time and making the entire process much more efficient for both landlords and tenants. First, open your web browser and navigate to docusign.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your login information to access your Docusign account dashboard. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top toolbar where you'll find several options. Click on Agreement. This section is where you'll manage all your document signing workflows and create new agreements for your tenants or clients. Now look to the upper left panel of your screen and click Start Now. This initiates the process of creating a new envelope, which is essentially Docusign's term for a package containing your document and all the signing instructions. Next, you'll be prompted to choose where your document is stored. Click Upload, then select Desktop. This tells Docusign that you'll be uploading a file directly from your computer rather than from cloud storage or templates. A file browser window will appear. Navigate to where your lease agreement document is saved, select it, and click Open. The document will begin uploading to Docusign, and depending on the file size, this might take a moment, so be patient while it processes. Once your document is uploaded, you'll see a section labeled Add Recipients to the envelope. This is where you'll specify who needs to sign the lease. Type the tenant's name in the name field and their email address in the email field. These details are crucial because Docusign will send the signing request directly to this email address. After entering the tenant's information, click Add Recipient. If you as the landlord also need to sign the lease agreement, you'll need to add yourself as a recipient as well. Simply enter your own name and email address in the same fields. Next, you'll want to provide context for this signing request. Type a short email subject line, something clear like lease agreement for review and signature. Below that, add an email message where you can include any instructions or friendly notes for your tenant about what they're signing. Once you've filled in these details, click Next in the bottom right corner. This will take you to the document preparation screen where you'll assign signature fields. In the left sidebar, you'll see various field options like signature, initials, date signed, and others. Click and drag these fields from the left panel onto the correct places in the lease application. Make sure you're assigning each field to the appropriate recipient. For instance, drag the tenant's signature field to where the tenant needs to sign and your signature field to where you need to sign. You can also add initials and date signed fields wherever they're required in the document. Take your time with this step to ensure all the necessary fields are placed correctly. Once you're satisfied with the placement of all signature and initial fields, click Send in the bottom right corner. Docusign will now send the lease application to all recipients for their signatures. And that's it. You've successfully sent your lease application through Docusign, and your tenant will receive an email with instructions to review and sign the document electronically. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.